Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. Walter at the workbench with the Bedrock number 5 jack plane. Now, what I just finished doing, and I'll post a longer video tomorrow, and that is I just finished giving it a good cleaning. And I cleaned the wooden fittings, gave them a polish. I gave the sides a cleaning, but I did a more gentle approach. And I used a wire brush, but it's just a little brass brush. And I used some oils, and I took it completely apart. So this currently has a fairly wide open mouth. I could close that, but as you can see, with the IBC, heavy IBC blade in there, it is performing absolutely beautifully. Now, I'm going to give a plug for some of the products that I use. Old Faithful 3-in-1 oil, just a general purpose oil, a drop here and there where you need lubrication. But this is a very interesting oil, Ballistol. Ballistol will clean and protect most any tool or firearm, doesn't matter. As it says here, lubricates, penetrates, protects, preserves firearms, leather, knives, tools, locks, marine, wood, metal, rubber. Eco-friendly, skin safe, no carcinogens. It has an interesting aroma, and it can get your sinuses going. So the lateral is working so much better, and so is the advancing knob. Just it's working like it's supposed to. So that's about it for this one. A real short and sweet and to the point video on a more gentle approach to cleaning and preserving a tool with patina. I have done nothing to the sole on this. This is the way I got it. I will one day lap it when I know I can get it 100% flat. Wow, that adjuster knob is moving freely. Beautiful. See, it's a corrugated sole. I've done really nothing to it. It's the way I got it. I left a lot of the patina on it, cleaned all the crud off, a little bit of polish on the tote and the handle. But you can see it's got paint or Japanning missing. But this is becoming one of my favorite planes. And some of you know from an earlier video, there's a little bit of history behind this. So that's about it, everybody. I'll leave a link in the description to the Ballistol. You all can get 3-in-1 oil just about anywhere. Another oil I will leave a link to is Croil. If you've got a severely rusted part, a drop or two of Croil on it, walk away, come back to it later in the day or tomorrow, and that'll be loosened up. So head out to your shop. We'll make some shavings. Walter out.